Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this all-in-one smart panel, which is has a controller card controller board built-in. We call it smart panel from 3 CCFL. I mean 3 on top, 3 on bottom. Later on I'm going to show you upgrade from 6 CCFL to our UB54 series. This LED kit comes with 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver. The part number for LED is UB54318. LED A020X2 plus NW. NW is representing no wire adapter required. Okay, so let's take a look at this screen. This is screen actually is, again, we call smart panel. It's made by Sharp. You know, it has a DVI, analog, VGA. The part number is right here. Well, scratch a little bit. Actually, the part number is made by Sharp's LQ150X1MW21. Okay, to upgrade from CCFL to our UB54 series for this particular screen chassis is quite easy. First, we have to remove this cover out and take a look at the chassis first. Okay, so remove the screws here, here. Okay, the few different screws. Okay. Okay, this one supposed here, but it's already missing. And we don't need that screw. It used to hold a backlight assembly. There's one more here. Okay, this screen actually is from my customers, so they make a special bracket to hold the screens. All right, we take it out already. Basically, we just remove this. All right, you see the chassis. This one. So you see this 3 wires. Okay, actually I say it wrong. It should be a 2 lamps on bottom, 2 lamps on the top, so total 4 lamps. If you had watched this video before, I make this same part number LQ150X1MW21 back a few years back. They're using a different chassis, so we have to use that universal kits. But at this particular chassis, they have a separate inverter, so that makes it easier. So basically, the problem for this screen is that you turn it on, you see the screen in a fraction of a second and goes off. Pretty much that's either the backlight lamp's back and also could be inverter. But in this case, we don't care. We just want to upgrade the LED. So first, disconnect this. Disconnect a lamp. Okay, you take it out. I'll show you why. The screws already been removed. So basically, you see this. You just pull the wire. Just pull out, just like that, you know. Okay, so same thing on this side. Okay, just pull out and set it aside. Take a look at this. This one is actually, we had to remove the screw in order to remove the lamp assembly. Looks a little bit tight. Okay, so here you go. Let me take this one out. I might have to take out this wire first. See that wire? Yeah. Loosen up the wire. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Okay. I don't want to break it. Oh, okay. Just carefully. You have to take this cover off. Let me see. There we go. See that? Take it out. Now we see the wires, right? Okay, so we take it out. So basically, we just get the LED, measure it, just peel off the double side tape. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, this is good. Okay, you stick there, push it down, make sure the double side tape, I forgot to show you the new double side tape that's much stronger and also have some heat sink feature too, so you can spray the heat a little bit faster. Okay, one done, so we need to put this one back. Okay, so here's how we can put it back here. I forgot. Oh, here we go. this is the way we're going to put the wire here. Oops. Okay, we're going to put the wires right back here. Okay, alright, okay. Like this. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Wire, no rush. Okay. We just put wire back like this. Oh, there we go. Oh, not yet. I forgot to click. This thing's a little bit tricky. Let me take it out. Okay. Put it back. We should put it like this. The clip like this way. I think. Yep. You see that? So it comes up. So put the spool back. See that? Just slice right back. Well, make sure it's clean inside. Yep, it's clean. Nothing else. Just slice right back. The wire comes out this side. Once done, the wires, just put back this, just like this. Okay, now we do the other one. Same thing, the other one. First you have to make sure this, take it out first. Okay, then